There's many reasons for you not to tell anybody about your next great idea. I've heard this one reason, and it just made the most sense to me. When you tell a bunch of people, your friends, and they give you this feedback of, how great you are, how awesome your idea is, this tricks your brain to, release dopamine, giving you that sense or that feeling that you've accomplished something or you've done something, as if you completed it, but you didn't. All you did was tell a bunch of your friends. So don't tell anybody until you've done something, even if it's something small, do something, that towards actually, bringing this great idea to life before you tell anyone. So this is me practicing that very thing. I've released my first product. I've got an organic hand sanitizer. It's safe, it's non-toxic, and it won't mess up your skin. It's only available in Cape Town right now. In fact, it's also in Switzerland. I'll tell you about that on another time of how it got there. Less talk and do more. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Warden, and see you guys next week.